Hello and welcome to IOLO, America's best and fastest growing no credit check virtual rent-to-own program. IOLO helps you, as a business owner, increase your bottom line profits by turning potential customers into paid-in-full customers. If you're not familiar with the virtual rent-to-own industry, it simply offers your customers an alternative payment option. In addition to your customers being able to pay with cash, credit cards, and any traditional financing you may offer. With IOLO, you can offer your customers a no-credit check, rent-to-own option to make a purchase. Have you ever lost a sale because your customer could not pay the full amount up front and they weren't able to qualify for traditional financing? Of course you have. That's because about 100 million people in the US fall into this category, but thanks to IOLO, you now have a solution for them. In fact, if your customer meets 3 simple verifiable qualifications, they will be approved 100% of the time. That's right, we absolutely approve every new customer we verify who meets these 3 simple requirements. First, they have to be at least 21 years old. Second, they have to have a steady source of income of at least $1,000 a month for the last 6 months. Third and finally, they must have a bank account for the last 6 months with no return checks for the last 90 days. And their bank must allow ACH payments. If your customer meets these 3 minimal requirements, they're approved. The amount they are approved for will vary based on each individual situation. Our minimum approval amount is $150, and the maximum can be as high as $2,500 or more. The online application process for your customer is fast and simple, and approval can happen instantly. Once approved, your customer can shop for merchandise up to the approved amount. Next, they electronically sign the rental purchase agreement, make their first payment to you, and take their merchandise home with them. IOLO then funds you the remaining balance of the full purchase price to your bank account within 2 to 3 business days. Your item is sold, your customer is happy, and you are paid in full. This process may sound familiar for those of you who are familiar with the RTO industry. In fact, you may be using 1 or more RTO options in your store right now. There are several good companies in the industry that can certainly help you close more sales than not having an RTO option. But let's look at several benefits to you that lift IOLO head and shoulders above the rest. First and foremost, there is no credit check. Some companies in our industry actually run a full credit check, and some run a partial or soft credit check. We don't do either, and that's why our approval rate in most cases is much higher than our competitors. Next, and of utmost importance to you, IOLO will fund you 100% of the purchase price. Many companies in our industry charge the merchant a discount from 2% up to 6% or more off your marked prices. This could result in a significant loss of income to your bottom line net profits. Another thing that sets us apart from most of our competitors is our return policy. When your customer makes that first payment to you, IOLO immediately takes on 100% of the customer service, including returns. We do not force you to take it back and then issue you a chargeback for the money we already paid you. We will allow you to be part of the return process if you choose to, for those who want to resell the returned merchandise, but it's not required. And we never issue chargebacks unless there is a merchant fraud involved. For your customers, IOLO offers one of the most competitive programs in the industry, along with very generous return and reinstatement policies. We also feature our unique any-day payoff option, which allows our customers to pay off their merchandise at any point during the contract by only paying the remaining cash price with no additional penalties or fees. We never charge your customers an application fee or processing fee. There are many additional benefits we offer our customers and merchants. Perhaps the most important of these is that, in most cases, you are going to be working with a local IOLO agent. They will help you get enrolled properly, get you and your staff trained properly, and provide you with point-of-sale marketing materials, along with all the support you'll need to maximize your bottom line net profits with IOLO. While some companies in this industry charge up to $1,500 for you to be able to use their service and then charge a monthly fee on top of that, IOLO does not charge you an application fee, an enrollment fee, a processing fee, or any other fee. There's absolutely no cost for you to become a merchant with IOLO. So there you have it, IOLO at a glance. If you need additional information, get back with the IOLO agent that introduced you to us, and make sure you get all your questions answered. If you don't need any more information and you're ready to get started, then simply contact your IOLO agent to get enrolled right now. It only takes a few minutes, and you'll soon be able to help more of your customers buy the things that they really want or need at no risk to you. Congratulations and welcome to the IOLO family.